Welcome back to the Foundation in C# course. We're just wrapping up Module 9, so let's review what we have covered. We'll start with our goal. Our goal was to create a hotel management application that needs a web portal that allows people to book an available room. We also need a desktop app for when they check in. This needs to be an MVP that will allow the customers to get going and identify what features should be added later. So this is what we had to work with. This is what we started with way back at the beginning of this course. And we took this goal, and now looking back on it, we have that MVP. We have a web portal that allows users to book a room, book an available room. We also have a desktop app for the people at the front desk to check in a user and make sure that they're checked in for the correct date and the correct room. So we have that. We even went beyond our MVP once we were done the MVP. We didn't do it until after we were done. But we went beyond our MVP and added a second database type so that if SQL wasn't a good option for them, they could use SQLite and just that database file that's a whole lot easier to deploy than SQL is. So throughout this course, we've seen how to architect this by first designing out the application and then carefully the application will work, and that's great. But a senior developer takes this and is going to do just what it says, but do just what it says, keeping in mind the bigger picture and preparing for the future without sacrificing the MVP or making the MVP too big. So think through those lessons, think through what you saw, practice this over and over again. I can't emphasize that enough. Your practice doing things that are similar but not necessarily the same will help you to gain a better understanding of the code. It'll get you more confident in what you're doing, and it will ensure that you actually learn what you think you learned. All right? So that's it for Module 9. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you got a lot out of it. And as always, I am Tim Corey.